All the covers for the back's on. These wrinkles are a little concerning, but maybe we can get them out. We'll see. Wow. All I want is to get this area stapled. That's all I want. Please. That's all I need. Right there. I feel like I'm at war with pontoon cushions. And if the wrinkles don't come out, we're redoing it. We all got lucky, the wrinkles came out. Now you don't have to redo it. So now that all the energy I have is gone, let's get on to the next one. This one was not easy, making it around these curves, but it turned out good. So we got the bottom and that back in. You'll see what I'm talking about. Yeah, I know these new lights are blinding me. Yep, no more buzzing. Yep, all I can hear are the voices now. They're telling me to do things. Should I do them? Come on. Okay, looks good. I mean, I get it. I understand why nobody does pontoons anymore. But somebody's got to do them. base part knocked out. Hard. So there it is, corner done. This one I got done faster than the rest of them. All I got left are the bottoms. And then I've got to build a bimini and I'm done, but I'm calling it for today. It was a rough one, I won't lie to you.